Now this is just priceless. We're just gonna wait for it now. And just wait for it. Now we just want to get this on documentation here. You want to get? Do you want to give him a minute? A minute? He's doing his business.
He's gonna see me come in.
Okay, go ahead. Do your thing. Now somebody just might be a little bit confused here on which real size gotta go. Let's see here. Oh, well, hey there.
Oh man!
Oh man. No, that's just priceless.